Hello everyone, welcome to Hurricane Web. Today we will see how to create a React Native boilerplate and set up a Hello World app. First of all, we need Node.js and Android Studio setup in our PC because these two things is very much needed for building React Native app. So we need Node.js for running JavaScript, and we'll use Android Studio for running the emulator so that we can see the interface of our code. So first of all, I will run the Android Studio because if I run it in middle of the code, you guys will maybe think that how I open it and what's going on, because it's a very beginner friendly video. So I am running the Android Studio and will make the emulator run. So if you guys can do until this, then your half work is done. Okay, it's take a little bit time. So when you come to the interface of the Android Studio, then you guys will see this emulator device manager site. So just click on the play button and the emulator will be open like this. So let's minimize it for now. Okay, so our main work start from now. I have created this documentation for building the React Native boilerplate or beginner friendly Hello World app. So I will upload it in my GitHub and will add it in the comment down description below. So first we'll run this command, which is npx at react native community /cli init my app. Instead of my app, you guys can use any name as you guys can choose. Then we will follow other documentation one by one. We will finish. So I'm copying it. See, we'll create a folder. I give it any name like rain. Then I will open it in VS Code. We'll do VS Code. We'll use the VS Code 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 editor for this video. You guys can use any code editor. So let's run it. So for opening the terminal in VS Code, we should click in the Control plus Shift plus backtick. Control Shift backtick. So the terminal is opening. So wait a little bit. Okay, so we put the link which we copied. So I give it a name. My app name. I give it Ginger. So again, you guys can even hand typing npx at react native community /cli init Ginger, or any of the app name as you like. So I hit enter. I will fast forward the video because building React Native app is time consuming. So if it takes too much time, I will fast forward the video. Okay, our first process is done. So let's see what it gives us. So when we run this command, then we get a just React icon. Then welcome to React Native 0.77.0. Downloading template, copying template, processing template, installing dependencies, and initializing Git repository. Then, so our first process is completed. So now we will move forward for the second process. So what this command did, it actually initialized the React Native app our and create the React Native app in our app name. So in the next step, uh, we have to go to the root directory of our app because this command just build our app, and now we have to go inside the app and then we have to run other command. So how do we can do that? So if you guys can look, this is the folder name rain. So we have to go to our app name as I give it ginger. So cd ginger and hit enter. So now I am in the app directory of my app name. So now we will run this command npx react native start. This will start our metro bundler, and metro bundler is essential in React Native development because it optimizes and serves your JavaScript code efficiently to the mobile application. So we need to run this command, Control C and hit enter. So building React Native app always time consuming, so you guys should have enough patience and do the process one by one. Again, I will fast forward the video because I don't want you guys get bored, so that's why. Okay, our second process also completed. So we run npx react native start for run the bundler, that is our metro bundler. So it give us is just start the dev server on localhost 8081 and the logo, and we can use Control plus C and out from the process. Then we will run npx react native run Android, and when we run this command, we are running the emulator 2, and our process almost finished. So I am just bring my emulator beside the code editor so that you guys can see the output or the interface. Let's see. Again, I will fast forward the video because again it's really time consuming. So as you guys see, our last step, which was npx react native start, npx react native run Android, it's completed, and our build process is successful, and our app is running in the emulator. So you guys can see welcome to React Native, then other texts. So all of this coming from app.tsx file. Before this, I want to share about uh, when we completed the process in React Native, we get the app name, and app name inside we get the Android iOS folder, and then source directory. Inside the source directory we get the components folder, screens folder, navigation folder, assets, utils, hooks, app.tsx, and others. So components, basically we create components for use it in screens, and we can use it in any other F2 letter. And screens are, let's say we can call it as like phases. If you guys familiar with React, screens is equal to phases, and navigation is for redirecting one phase to another phase or one screen to another screen. And assets, we keep the images, fonts, etc. So mm, because of this video purpose, I will use app.jsx, because uh, I will use JSX in this video. So app.jsx, and also we will delete all of this, because we just will set up a React Native boilerplate. So just type RNF and hit enter and Control S. So let's look at this. Now we can see the app name. So here if we write hello world and Control S, we'll see hello world here. So let's give some style via CSS. Style is equal to double, we need to use the second bracket double time up to 10. So style display flex, justify content center, and align items center, and Control S. Oh, I did a mistake, sorry. Control S. Now you guys can look, hello world is in the center. Let's give a margin of, actually. Now it will look more nice. And we can give a color to our text. Let's give it green. Yes. You will see it's a green color. Make the font size 20 pixel. So that's it for this video. If you guys like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you very much.